Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic update today. So Luna Classic did drop a little bit, and also one more thing is that it's coming down, and it's coming down to the trend line. Okay, so we've actually started to retest the trend line a little bit. You saw a little bit of a retest which actually looked a little bit successful, but then eventually you broke down. But I'm going to actually spread the seeds for you, and before that, you can check the comment section and enter Discord for absolutely free. Now, speaking of Discord as well, I've actually shared this pattern here for some of my members, and I want you to understand that this month, according to the book of the script, okay, the script is written in a way that September has been bad for the past 11 years, okay, for the past 12 years. And this time, it may not be any different. So there's a little bit of a letdown, and there's also, on the other flip coin, on the other side of things, when people, there's an old saying or maybe an old proverb, the other side, I don't know, the other side is greener, is that what they say? Whatever, you get the point, okay? That the other side is always greener, right? People expect the other side to always be green, but actually in crypto this time around, it's actually green, okay? This time, look how much of a blood here. You have the Red Sea going on, but on the other side, it's actually green, okay? So here it is. Historically, it says it's actually green, except for the past 2 times in 11 years. Like in 11 years, only 2 times you have failed, right? In October. And I haven't seen, any big gains right over here. The average return of September is no more than 6%. Profit, if we talk about profit, okay, it has never even crossed 6% in profit, ever. Because most of the time it's actually dumping all the way to the downside all the time. So if you need some cool information like this, insights, it's on Discord. Discord is there for just to get some things that are not on YouTube. So it's pretty useful for so many people. Check the comment and you can get it. Now, when I was talking about spreading the seeds for Luna Classic here, I personally think and see that Luna Classic might just make this fake out, drop down, come here, and actually bottom out at these prices right over there, and take all the wicks that you have right in here, which is actually nearly 5,000 one more time. So you could actually see and expect 5,000 in this month one more time, but that's pretty much it, okay? So there's 2 ways of looking at things. One way is the one who is trading, who has USDT, someone like me, and someone like and other people like my members as well in the private. So we're not trading at the moment, and for good reasons, of course. It's not because we don't want to, but it's actually for the good reason and for the threat that this month actually holds. Now, we figured out the threat, and we estimate that it's not a good idea. We took USDT and we're sitting down and waiting for that next move to happen. If it does happen, fine. If it doesn't happen, fine. Okay, we know how to flip the switch. We know how to change sides when the market changes sides as well. So that's not an issue. Now let's say it does come down, and that's the way to look at it. I look at it as an opportunity. I like September personally. I don't really think it's that bad, because if I'm gonna get a discount and enter for cheap money, that's fine. Yes, you're going to be bothered if you look at long-term coins that you have dropping down 50%, and then you're going to freak out, and all of a sudden you're going to feel like, okay, I'm not going to hold anymore, let me just sell it. Now that's a bad mindset. I don't think it should be a big deal when the market drops down, because we do know, or you must know, that at some point they actually do recover, and especially in the Q4 starting from October. So my take is, I do see Luna Classic coming down, and even to make me more confident that you're going to fall down here, as soon as you touch 7,017, you're sitting at 7,700 right now, but if you go to 7,017, that's game over. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.